In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DocuSign error uploading documents editor invalid PDF type Dynamic XFA. If you've tried uploading a PDF to DocuSign and suddenly received this error message, don't worry. This is a common issue, and the good news is it's very easy to fix. This error usually happens because your PDF is created as a Dynamic XFA form, which DocuSign does not support. I'll walk you through step-by-step how to convert your file properly, remove restrictions, and troubleshoot connection or browser issues so you can upload your document without any problems. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software fixes. Let's get started. The first and most important fix is converting your file to a standard PDF. Dynamic XFA forms are often generated by certain government or enterprise systems, and they look like regular PDFs, but they are actually interactive XML-based forms. DocuSign cannot process these. To fix this, open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com. Once you're there, choose the option to convert or flatten your PDF. Upload the file that's giving you the error. If the file is an XFA-based PDF, the tool will automatically convert it into a standard static PDF format. After the conversion is complete, download the new file to your computer. Now go back to DocuSign and try uploading this newly converted version. In most cases, this alone will resolve the invalid PDF type Dynamic XFA error immediately. If the issue still continues, the next step is to check whether the PDF is password protected. DocuSign cannot process secured or encrypted PDF files. To fix this, go back to ilovepdf.com and choose the Unlock PDF option. Upload your file and remove the password protection. If you don't know the password, you'll need to obtain it from the person who sent you the document. Once the file is unlocked, download the clean version and attempt to upload it again in DocuSign. Removing security restrictions often resolves hidden compatibility issues that trigger upload errors. Next, let's make sure the problem isn't related to your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and sometimes generate unexpected errors. Open a new tab and go to fast.com to quickly test your internet speed. If your connection is weak, try switching to a more stable network, restarting your router, or using a wired connection if possible. Once your internet is stable, refresh DocuSign and attempt the upload again. Another quick fix is trying DocuSign in an Incognito window or a completely different browser. Sometimes browser extensions, stored sessions, or outdated settings interfere with uploads. Open a private or Incognito window in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then log into your DocuSign account and try uploading the file again. If it works there, the issue is likely caused by cache data or an extension in your main browser. If that solves it, you should also clear your cache and cookies in your regular browser. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy or Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached images and cookies. After clearing, restart your browser and log back into DocuSign. This refreshes your session and often eliminates persistent upload errors. Finally, if none of these steps work, check the official DocuSign status page to see if there's a temporary outage or service disruption. Occasionally, upload systems may be down for maintenance. If there's an ongoing issue, you'll simply need to wait until DocuSign resolves it. And that's it. That's how you fix the DocuSign error uploading documents editor invalid PDF type Dynamic XFA quickly and safely. In most cases, converting the Dynamic XFA PDF into a standard PDF will solve the problem right away. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.